Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Christmas tree blind box item from Skull Panda. The one that Vanilla got and said, "Oh, who is you?" On TikTok, because she got this twice and she said she did not want this one. You can send one my way because I don't know, I think it's cute, but to each their own. So to create this, I'm not going to restart from the beginning because I used a lot of accessory adjustment in this. So for the hair, I did just two. I did these bangs as well as this one in, okay, let's do this one first. I did this color AA4833. For the position, I did Y at 0.44, Z at 0.43, and rotation X at 0.64. For the second hair, I used this one, and then I just toggled it to only bangs and selected bangs 1. For the position, Z at 0.4, T2, rotation X at 0.63, and scale 0.48. For the fit, you don't need any VIP items at all. For the for the dress, I used this one. Where is it? Somewhere from Coast. Okay, yeah, this one. And I colored it this color 024945, and I did the default toggle, and I colored it using the foil material, and I used glitter on the bow. For the headpiece, I used this like teddy bear one, colored it the same. For the position, same, but I scaled it up to 0.54. And then for the hat, I used a fur hat in foil material as well, in the same color. For the accessory adjustment, I did position Y at 0.37, Z at 0.35, rotation X at 0.88, and scale at 1. And then for the outfit, I just used these three, and I just colored it the same. For the shoes, I used this for like leg warmer in FF9FC1, and I also used this, and I colored them both using the material glitter. I used the glitter material. Then for the shoes, I just colored this in black. Then for the for the kind of arms, actually, I used the earmuffs in black and in glitter. And for the adjustment, I did Y at 0.42 and scale it at 0.92. And for the bow, I used this one, toggled it to the third toggle. So for this one, I did Y at 0.0, Z at 0.82, rotation X at 0, Y at 0.52, and scaled it up to 1. And for the keychain part of it, I colored it black with the glitter material, and then this I used like gray and used the metallic material. For the adjustment, I did these. You can just take a screenshot or write it down. X at 0.55, Y 0.86, Z 0.39, X rotation at 1, Y rotation at 1, Z at 0.4, and scale is the same. And that is how you can create this Skull Panda blind box on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.